In this video, I'll show you how to fix the input 13 DLL is missing from your computer on Windows 11. Firstly, run a DISM and SFC scan. Type CMD in the Windows search bar and right-click on Command Prompt in the search results, then select Run as Administrator. In the elevated command prompt window, type the following command and press enter, which is dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This command will check your Windows component store for corruption and fix any detected issues. After you do that, just run an SFC scan by writing sfc/scan now and pressing enter. Once both scans are complete, restart your computer to apply the changes. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. If this didn't fix your problem, just search the file on Google, download it from the DLL files, and put it wherever the error is showing. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.